the world feels like it's holding its breath. Picture this. Ukraine's bold drone strikes on Russian air bases are making headlines, and the nuclear threats are ramping up global tensions. It's like a high-stakes chess game, and everyone is watching closely. Meanwhile, back in the U.S., a terror attack in Boulder, Colorado, has communities on edge. And amidst all this chaos, spiritual voices like Amanda Grace are warning us about the dangers of pride and conflict. Now, let's shift gears to the world of crypto. The Genius Act is making waves as it nears a Senate vote. This bipartisan stablecoin regulation bill could be a game-changer for the crypto world, but it's facing some hurdles with unrelated amendments. Crypto lobbyists are urging U.S. senators to stay focused and not get distracted. If it passes, it could be the Senate's first major crypto legislation, but it still needs to clear the House. Over at the University of Chicago, writers are rethinking how they connect with readers. They're moving away from rule-based writing and focusing on creating texts that are reader-focused and value-driven. It's all about addressing community-specific problems and making an impact with persuasive writing. And speaking of impact, let's talk about Sir Michael Moritz. His journey from refugee roots to venture capital titan is a testament to resilience and vision. His parents' escape from Nazi Germany shaped his perspective, and it's driven his success at Sequoia. Moritz believes that obsession fuels innovation, humanity's enriched tech, and a long-term vision builds enduring organizations. Now, if you're a startup founder, listen up. Sam Altman's playbook is a must-have. It's all about building, growing, and executing effectively. The key? Clarity, user focus, and momentum. Define your product and target user precisely, prioritize user feedback, and keep your eye on growth metrics. It's a roadmap to sustainable business success. And finally, let's talk about Morning Brew. It's the fastest-growing newsletter in the country, with over 4.2 million readers. Why? Because it makes business news easy and enjoyable. Each morning, it delivers the day's biggest stories in bite-sized reads packed with facts and just enough wit to keep things interesting. It's a smarter, faster way to stay in the loop. So, as we navigate today's conflicts, geopolitical, spiritual, and economic, let's reflect on resilience and clarity. How do we innovate with purpose and communicate effectively? It's a question worth pondering as we move forward in these uncertain times.